Hi, I'm Chart Gal Lori. I'm part of the Chart Guys community. I've been a trader and technical analyst for the last 9 years. I'm going to do the market recap for Tuesday, December 31st, the last day of the trading year. All right, let's get into it. We have NVDA and Tesla. They were pretty red. I thought I'd wear my red hoodie today, which I was wearing it already, but how appropriate for the market action. NVIDIA and Tesla standing out red, XLE with some green. Looking at the economic calendar, reminder, we're closed tomorrow. The market will be closed, and then we're closed January 9th for Jimmy Carter, and then for his funeral, and then January 20th for MLK Day. All right, Thursday we have initial jobless claims, S&P Global data, and ISM data. And if you want to give me a follow on X at ChartGalLori, that would be lovely. And you can see our bloopers, some of our bloopers. Trust me, it would be hours if we did all the bloopers. All right, let's take a look at the market, starting with ES. So ES, we broke the low of yesterday by a minuscule amount, $1. So at this point, this is a daily double bottom. We are looking for a potential daily higher low. On the 4-hour, we are in a downtrend, and on the hourly, we're in a downtrend, the 12 EMA pushing the market down. So we're closing the year right now looking for a potential daily higher low and then possibly a daily equilibrium. Looking at NASDAQ, we broke the prior day low by more than just $1, and we're losing the daily 50 EMA here at 21,332. So we are looking for a daily higher low on NASDAQ. That is the more likely scenario. RTY stood out green. We broke the high of yesterday, and we are pretty far away from yesterday's low. So Russell had a good day. The Russell did IWM. Let's look at it on the 15-minute. We had a great morning. We're giving back a lot here into the end of day. Looking at the Dow, we held yesterday's low. We have a daily inside bar. A daily higher low is possible compared to 42,496. Looking at the VIX, despite the market having a red day, VIX is red. So we don't have a lot of fear associated or hedging with this movement. We are holding the hourly EMAs on VIX. Bitcoin had a green day, had a great morning, giving a lot back. We're looking for that 4-hour higher low. So on Bitcoin, we set the weekly higher low now with the 4-hour trend change, but this is not what bulls want. You don't want to use all that buying power and then give up your positioning. So we are looking for a 4-hour higher low on Bitcoin. Ethereum is weaker. It had a wonderful bounce, and we've given so much back. On the next bounce, bears will be looking for an Ethereum hourly lower high. Coin is closing red. We're in a daily downtrend. We are looking for a weekly higher low on coin. And MSTR has had a horrific day. We are looking for a weekly higher low on MSTR. We lost the daily 50 MA. This morning, Bitcoin was bouncing and MSTR was coming down. You don't want to see that type of bearish divergence. MSTR was super heavy. Looking at the dollar had a great day. We're up. We have plenty of room for an hourly higher low. And gold had a great day despite the dollar strength. So on gold, we have this daily higher low set now at 26.08. Bulls want to get over 26.55 to change that daily trend. Oil continues to steal the show. I have been raving about this monthly squeeze on oil. We're closing the month here with a monthly inside bar. On the weekly, we got a bull break, but we're running into the weekly 50 MA. We have a squeeze here. And on the daily, we got a big bull break, plenty of room for a daily higher low, and we have enough room for a 4-hour higher low. So going into next week, oil will be on back burner watch after this strong day today. And if we flip back to that heat map, you can see that XLE was a shining star today. All right, back to our charts. Looking at SMH. On the daily, we broke the prior day low, but we have enough room for a daily higher low on SMH, and the daily 200 MA is around 240. So SMH does have enough room for a daily higher low, and we have a daily squeeze. So it'll be pivotal going into the new year and next week. Looking at NVIDIA, we broke the prior day low after that rejection at the daily 50 MA. We have enough room for a daily higher low on NVIDIA. Bulls were nowhere to be found today on NVIDIA. Horrendous day on NVIDIA. On a bounce, we'll be looking for an hourly lower high compared to 13874. Looking at Apple, it had a red day. We are looking for a daily higher low on Apple. Apple looks different from a lot of the charts that we look at, like Amazon, Google, Tesla. Apple's cleaner. We are looking for a daily higher low compared to 245.69. Doesn't mean we will get it, but odds favor with the size of this bounce that we would get a daily higher low. So we got hourly oversold back here, and that did not mark the daily higher low. So we'll see if 4 hour RSI is at 39. Let's see, can we get to 4 hour? 4 hour oversold would be around 246, and we would still be in a position for a daily higher low. So that would be the next back burner to watch. Looking at Amazon, we got that daily bear break yesterday by a smidge, and bulls held the prior day low on Amazon. And this could be a weekly bull flag on Amazon. We don't want to see that elevated bear volume here. However, last week's volume's really hard to judge with the day and a half off. So on the daily, we held the prior day low of 218.43. On a bounce, bears will be looking for an hourly lower high compared to today's high. Bears have good positioning going into the new year. On Google, we have a daily equilibrium, and we're looking for a daily higher low on Google. So we do have an equilibrium where Apple has no equilibrium. It's just been straight up looking for that daily higher low. Meta, we're holding the daily 50 MA, looking for that elusive daily higher low compared to 580. On the 4 hour, we're not oversold. That 4 hour 12 EMA has been a nuisance for Meta bulls. Microsoft has been really weighing down the sector as a whole. We're losing that daily 200 MA. We're looking for a weekly higher low on Microsoft, and it does have a squeeze. So we'll see, maybe a gap down Thursday could be an opportunity for buying on Microsoft. It's been particularly heavy. Speaking of heavy, Tesla, we're looking for a weekly higher low, and we lost this daily equilibrium support of 415.41. Reminder, we have delivery numbers on Thursday that could and should impact Tesla. So if this remains a small break, which I don't know if $13 is a small break at this point, and we're approaching 4 hour oversold. So 4 hour oversold gap down on Thursday may present a weekly higher low buying opportunity, but we have that binary event of the delivery numbers, which would and should impact price. Looking at XLF, we're still looking for that weekly higher low. Daily, we held the prior day low and bounced today. It held up pretty well. We're closing green here. However, an hourly higher low compared to 48.57 is likely the more likely scenario. XLV held up pretty well today. We are looking for a potential daily higher low in XLV. Healthcare has been just absolutely slaughtered. Looking at our quantum names, QUBT, we had support over here of 1631, and we hit 1601. Let's see if bulls buy that as if it's a daily double bottom. We're closing with a potential hourly bear flag. It's not a good look here on the quantum names. QBTS broke the prior day low. RGTI, we're going into Thursday with a 4 hour equilibrium. Higher high, higher low, lower high. So let's see if 1440 holds going into Thursday. GameStop was a name that was positioned well. We lost the prior day low, but we held daily support of 30.73. This does have a daily squeeze. We are looking for that daily higher low. I'm going to keep my eyes on this one. XLE was the shining star of today. We went into today with a squeeze here on the hourly, and we got a beautiful bull break. XLE has been lagging oil. So let's see if XLE can catch up. The largest name in XLE is Exxon, and Exxon has a daily equilibrium. We were unable to get through that 107.99. We'll see if we can get through 108 and change the daily trend. Then finally, X had news, Nippon Steel. They floated a new deal to Biden. The White House, will see. We had this beautiful squeeze going into today, and we had a big pop on that news. I think the price that they're offering is around $55 a share, and they're floating a new deal, which the X Bulls absolutely love. So this will be on back burner watch going into next week. All right, that's it for me. This is the last public market recap video. Thank you for joining us. If you want daily videos, come join us over at the Chart Guys. All right, use stop losses.